welcome to my very first What I Eat in a Day video. I want to start off by saying that I am not vegan, but I do eat a plant-based diet most of the time. And in this video, everything I'll be sharing is plant-based. Also, the majority of recipes I make are ones I find online, so I won't be going into detail with the exact measurements or directions. I'll have all the recipes linked in the description box so you can see all of that. And now that you have a little bit of background information, let's go ahead and get started. So what I eat in a day starts the night before when I prepare my water with lemon so I can have it in the morning. And I've been drinking water with lemon every morning for so many years now. I can't even remember when I first started, but it's something I really look forward to every single morning. Now for breakfast, I'm gonna have my current favorite smoothie bowl recipe. This is from Running on Real Food, and I absolutely love her. She has a blog full of plant-based recipes that are healthy and very simple to make. And the majority of what I cook are actually recipes from her, so I highly recommend checking out her blog if you're looking for easy plant-based recipes. What I love the most about smoothie bowls are the toppings because you can get very creative. This day I added walnuts, chia seeds, and ideally I'd like cacao nibs, but I didn't have any, so I got the next best thing, which are vegan chocolate chips. About mid-morning, I like to have a cup of green tea. It's my favorite kind of tea. And I like to accompany this with some fresh fruit, so today I'm having some pineapple. Now for lunch, I'm having a spicy black bean burrito bowl. This is a recipe I got from 2 Shakes of Happy here on YouTube. I follow the recipe as is, except I do like to cook my own beans, and I like to use fresh tomato instead of canned. Usually for lunch I don't cook, I simply heat whatever was left over from dinner, but for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you the whole process from the night before. And I really enjoy this recipe. I've also tried this with pinto beans instead of black beans, and both are equally as delicious. The chipotle peppers give it a lot of flavor. I believe that she also adds chili powder to this, but the peppers and the salt do the trick for me. And the avocado adds the perfect amount of creaminess to this bowl. For a quick afternoon snack, I'm having these 1 bowl peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies. Pickup Limes here on YouTube gets all the credit for these delicious cookies. I can't even tell you how many times I've made these. Usually I'll just batch make them when I have very ripe bananas, and then I freeze them and I'll just heat them up during the week whenever I want a sweet snack. These are so good, especially with a glass of almond milk. Now this day for dinner, I'm actually trying a new recipe, and this will be my very first time trying farro, and I have to say it was a winner. It has a great nutty flavor. I loved the chewy texture it has. It's also a great source of protein. It has tons of fiber. And this recipe was very simple and quick. It literally only took 30 minutes, and I'm all for super quick dinners, so I'll definitely be adding this to my meal planner. I did make a couple of changes to the recipe. This was supposed to be a 1-pot meal, but I decided to saute the onion and garlic and cook the farro separately just because I thought it'd give it more flavor this way, and I think it did. The recipe also called for Parmesan cheese, but to keep it plant-based, I just left it out, but you can also add nutritional yeast or vegan Parmesan. So I'm ending the night with a flower tea. These flower teas are by the Chi. They sent me their floral tasting collection, which includes different flowers. All of these have all kinds of benefits like promoting healthy skin, immune function, and fighting insomnia. And this is a really nice ritual to have at night. When you pour the hot water over the flower, it expands, it basically blooms, and it's very beautiful to see. And that brings us to the end of this day. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you very soon.